welcome back to Storytime. Today I have another fantastic video for you all, which is called Our Table, written by Peter H. Reynolds. But before we get started, subscribe and like for more videos like this on Thanksgiving. Let's get started. Violet fondly remembered the table. She remembered gathering food, preparing the table, cooking meals, lighting candles, so many stories, laughter, singing, celebrating, sharing, making memories together. Recently, though, Violet found herself alone at the table. Her family had become busy, very busy. They had found new places to be. Violet found her father in his favorite chair in front of a big screen, bigger than Violet. She found her mother on the staircase, chatting silently on her phone. She found her brother in his room, playing games with friends she could not see. Feeling quite alone, Violet dreamed of a time where family and friends would gather at the table. Walking by the room where the quiet table stood, Violet did a double take. She noticed something had changed. Their table was smaller. The next day, it had become even smaller. By the end of the week, the table had shrunk so much it fit easily into the palm of her hand. Violet blinked. The table vanished. Violet knew exactly what she had to do. She asked her father to watch a show about carpentry together, and they did. Violet asked her mother to write a message and post it to see who knew how to build a table, and they did. She asked her brother to use his computer to help draw out a plan together, and they did. Violet was ready. She asked her family to build a table together, and they did. When they were done, Violet paused to marvel at their creation, a place to come together to share stories once again, a table to make memories. A table stronger, more beautiful than ever. And it was. The end! I hope you enjoyed this fantastic story about Violet. Subscribe and like for more fantastic videos similar to this. Bye, reader friends, and keep on reading.